Welcome you all my dear students in this education program conducted by Joint School Family Rupandehi. Yes, my dear students, we are in the seventh day. Okay, my dear students, in this class I am going to teach you yes about what is province number 5. Okay, you see my dear students, province number 5 is located in the southern part of the country. Okay, and you see this province has the area of how much? 22,288 square kilometer. What is 22,200 and what is 88 square kilometers. Okay, my dear students, and you see this province has the populations of about more than 49 lakh. Okay, 49 lakh, and this population census is according to the 2068 BS. To the census according to the census of 2068 BS, and this according to the census 2068, this province number 5 occupies the populations of about 80% of the country. Okay, my students, you see, this province has two ecological regions. Okay, two geographical regions, that is hill and tarai. Hilly region and the tarai region. Okay, my dear students, and this province, okay, this province number 5 has what is 12 districts. Okay, there is Rupandehi. What is Rupandehi? Yes. Next one is Parasi, that is western part of Navalprasi. Yes. Gulmi. Yes. Orgakhachi. Yes. Putan, Dang, Rolpa, Rugum East. Yes. And Baki, Bardia. Okay. These are the district of this province. Okay, my dear students, you see, this province, okay, has no mountain. Just now I told you. Yes, no mountain peak. Okay. Yes, and you see the important rivers. Yes, the important rivers of this province. Yes, are Rapti, Bheri, Babai, Karnali, Tino, and so on. Okay, these are the rivers of this province. That is province number 5. You see, my dear students, this province, these rivers, okay, provide yes irrigation facilities. This river provide water for the land for irrigation. Okay, and because of these, yes, it has good agricultural production. Okay, it has fertile soil. Okay, it has what is good agricultural productions. Okay, yes, the important irrigation project of this region, this province are what is the Siktaha irrigation project. Yes, and Babai irrigation project, Kinau irrigation project. Yes, next is Barganga. Yes, these rivers. Yes, these rivers are supplying water to this province. Okay, and to the land of this province. Okay, so because of this, yes, it has what is good agricultural production. Okay, my dear students, and because of this, yes, sufficient amount of crops are grown here. Yes, and this province yes grows both the food crop and the cash crop. What is the food crop and the cash crop? Just like paddy, yes, wheat, maize, millet, yes, coffee, cotton, mustard, yes, etc. Yes, they are both the food crop and the cash crop. Yes, paddy, wheat, maize, millet, yes, barley, yes, and they are what is the food crop. Yes, again coffee yes, cotton, mustard, yes, they are the cash crop. It is cash crop. Okay, my dear student. Along with this province is also good for orange production. Yes, these places are very good for what is orange production. Okay, my dear students. You see, and you see here this province, yes, has different tourist attraction centers and different religious centers. Okay, just like Lumbini, Bageshwari, Thakurdwara, Resumna, Ruru, Swargadwari, Palpa, Srinagar. Yes, I mean Siddha Baba. Yes, what is Bol Bom Dham. Yes, Parva Parmeshwar Bol Bom Dham. Yes, these are the major, yes, religious centers as well as tourist attraction centers. Okay, you see, people from different places, people from different parts of the country, different parts of the world, yes, they come to visit these places. Okay, my dear students. Again, here in this province, yes, people of different races, yes, people of different races live here. Yes, here lives what is Brahman, yes, Kshetri, yes, Magar, Tharu, Yadav, yes, and other Muslim people from Muslim community, yes, live here. Okay, my dear students, and these people, they follow different religions like Hindu, Muslim, Buddhist, yes, Christians. Okay, these are the religions, yes, practicing here in this province number 5. Okay, here, my dear students, people here, they speak different languages. Okay, yes, this is just like Tharu people, they speak Tharu language. Yes, Bhojpuri language they speak here, Urdu language they speak here, Magar language they speak here, Nepali language they speak here. Yes, along with this, some people from Madhesi community, yes, they also speak here Hindi. Okay, my dear students, and you see here the main source of income, yes, the main sources of income of the people living in this province, yes, are what is agriculture, yes, industry, yes, tourism, yes, and what is natural resources. Okay, here you know Butual, Bhairava, what is Nepalganj, yes, there are different types of industries, yes, like steel industries, cement industries, textile industries, cotton industries, yes, and so on. Yes, again, you see this this province is also very famous for what is tourism industry. What is tourism industry? Okay, my dear students. Yes, and it is also good for agricultural productions. Okay, yes, good income, yes, is generated from agriculture also. Okay, my dear students, and you see here, and you see Butual, yes, Bhairava, Nepalganj, yes, Krishnanagar, yes, Kolpur, Tulsipur, Guleria, Tansen, yes, Ghorai, yes, these are the major trade center. What is? These are the major trade center of this province. You see people living here, yes, they do trade, business, okay, from these places. Okay, yes or no? And you see here people, they conduct different types of what is economic activities here for their income generation. Okay, and here this province has different lakes. What is different lakes? Like Satyavati. What is Satyavati, Barakuni, and what is Jagdishpur. Okay, these are the famous lake of this province. Okay, my dear students, and you see, just like I told you, yes, this province has two ecological regions. Okay, and here the climate and this vegetation are found according to these ecological regions. Okay, just for example, yeah, in the southern belt, okay, it has plain land. Okay, and my dear student, and here because of this, okay, because of this plain land, yes, the climate is what is hot here. What is the climate is what is very hot here. Okay, and in the hot climate, yes, and in the places, in the place where there is sufficient rainfall, yes, what are vegetation we find? You know, we find what is subtropical evergreen forest. Okay, what is subtropical evergreen forest? And this type of vegetation, this type of forest is found in the southern belt. That is in the Tarai belt. Okay, my dear students. Again, in the hilly area, yes, the climate is moderate. Okay, average type of climate is there. Okay, and there the vegetation is also there different from the hilly, Tarai area. Yes, hilly region has what is deciduous type of vegetation. What is deciduous type of vegetation? Okay, my dear students, you see, Nepalganj, you know, Nepalganj, one of the hottest place of Nepal. Yes, Nepalganj is one of the hottest place of Nepal. Yes, is also located here in this province. What is Nepalganj is located in this province number 5. Okay, my dear students. Yes, this province has the literacy rate. What is this province has the literacy rate of about 68%. What is the literacy rate of this province has about what is 68%. Okay, my dear students. Yes, and you see here, people from different races, from different region, yes, they are living here. Yes, and they are maintaining what is peace and harmony. They are living together, yeah, with the sense of brotherhood. Yes, sense of what is brotherhood. Yes, they develop mutual cooperation and understanding among the people living here. Though they are from different races, though they are from different regions, though they are from different religious background, though they are from different cultural background, still they are living together. Yeah, they stand together for the unity of this province. Yes, for the unity of the country. Yes or no? Okay, and you see here, this province has its own what is legislative assembly. Yes, own provincial level of government. Okay, yes, just like other province. Okay, my dear students. And Sankar Pokhrel, what is Sankar Pokhrel is the chief minister of this province. What is chief minister of this province? Mukhyamantri. Yes, Sankar Pokhrel is the what is chief minister of this province. And next, governor. Yes, Prantiya Pramukh. What is Prantiya Pramukh? Yes, yes sir. And who is he? You know, Dharmanath Yadav. What is Dharmanath Yadav is the governor of this province. Okay, my dear students, have you understood what I'm saying? And you see here, this province has not got its name yet. Okay, as its temporary what is capital city. Or that is Butwal is the capital city of this province. I mean, it is the temporary capital city of this province. Okay, my dear students, and with this I would like to conclude my class here, and we will see you, we will meet again, yes, in the next class. Till then, stay safe and stay